Okay, the final problem in here, if you've gotten this far and you've done all the rest of those problems, you should pretty much be an expert at this. And I can't imagine there's a question that you're going to get on the IB exam or R test that you can't do involving the equation on the line. So awesome job if you've gotten this far. So let's look at what we got going on here. Gives us an equation. It gives us a point. Give a reason why L1 does not pass through point P. Again, they like to test this in different ways and see if you understand that if this point is on this line, that it needs to make that equation true. So I can go ahead and say, all right, well, 5 times the y coordinate is 0 minus 2 times the x coordinate is 4. That's supposed to equal 12. I usually put a question mark there because I'm seeing if it actually works or not. If I put this right-hand side of my calculator, 5 times 0 minus 2 times 4 equals 12, it would give me negative 8 equals 12, which is not true. So it's not on the line. If it was on the line, then it would tell me immediately that, it would be, not tell me immediately, tell me immediately. It would say 12 equals 12, all right, for any point that's on the line. Find the gradient of L1. So we've done this a bunch of times. So we are going to just take this and solve it for y. So 5y minus 2x equals 12 plus 2x plus 2x. 5y equals 12 plus 2x. Divide everything by 5. And you get y equals, I'm going to leave that as a fraction because it's not really relevant to me. And I'm definitely going to leave that as a fraction. Now the IB, I will say, doesn't care if you put it down as a decimal, but if it's a repeating decimal, they're not going to like it if you round it. All right, just leave it as a fraction. There's no benefit. I think it actually makes the problem harder. There's no benefit to making it into a decimal. So the gradient's 2/5. All right, so that's 2/5. Then it says L2 is a line perpendicular to L1. The equation of L2 is in the form y equals mx plus c. Write down the value of m. And again, they're just playing games with this. If it's perpendicular, you flip the equation, you flip the fraction over and you stick a negative sign in front of it. And then it says L2 passes through point P, find the value of c. So that means I need to know the equation. P is 4, 0. So again, I'm going to go over here. 1 is my gradient, negative 5 halves. 2 is my point, 4, 0. So it's y minus 0 equals negative 5 halves times x minus 4. That's y equals, distribute that, negative 5 halves x, and then it's minus 10. Yeah, no, plus 10. Sorry, plus 10. So then it says find the value of c. It's plus 10. All right, so that's the value of c right there. And again, these all are a little bit different, but they're all really just asking the same thing. Can you find the gradient? Can you find the point that it goes, the line is goes through, and then can you manipulate it and put it into a different form?